Today we're going to demonstrate rolling the TFL muscle, or Tensor Fasciae Latae. This muscle here, to locate it, what we're going to do is you're going to find your greater trochanter. It's a part of your femur. You can reach onto your leg and kind of find, almost feels like a golf ball sticking out from your leg. Once you find that, reach forward about an inch or so, kind of like you're reaching towards your pocket. And then if you raise your leg up to the side, you'll feel that muscle tense up. That's the one we want to work. It's going to sit just towards the top end of your pocket, and it's going to be about 5 or 6 inches in diameter. To get in position to roll a TFL, Josh is going to aim for getting the foam roller just below the crease of his hip as he gets onto the roller. We want to roll one side at a time, so he's going to turn his hips about 45 degrees. We don't want to roll over that bony landmark we used to help us find the TFL, so we don't want to turn all the way sideways. We just want to turn our hips about 45 degrees. From here, Josh is going to roll up and down about 5 or 6 inches across the whole muscle. With all of our rolling, what he's going to do is he's going to look for tender spots and stick onto those tender spots a little bit longer, let the foam roller sink in, maybe do smaller rolls back and forth over those spots, trying to relieve some of the tension over those pressure points.